Yeah. The equation of the tangent is x(x1) plus y(y1) equal to 50. So x into 7 plus y into -1 equal to 50. So 7x minus y minus 50 equal to 0. Is my answer correct?
Yes.
Everybody noted? I hope you
Yes,
are
sir.
looking at your classwork, what you have done. So if the point is on the circle, that is the easiest formula that you can do, and directly you can write your answer. Is it fine with everybody?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now we go for this question number 2. Question number 2. Equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 parallel to 4x minus 3y plus y equal to 0. You have two methods to do this problem. One by using the formula and one by using the general circles equation. Just try to understand here. Here is a circle. Here is the tangent having slope, what is it, parallel to another line. Here is another line parallel to it. What is the equation? 4x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. If you do not know any formula, you can use perpendicular distance from the center equal to radius. If you know the formula, can anybody tell me what is the formula for equation of tangent when slope is known to you? The formula for standard circle? Tell me.
Y is equal to mx plus or minus a root 1 plus m square.
Correct. M here, what is the slope of this line?
Slope is 4/3.
Minus 4 upon minus 3, so 4/3. Formula has got a minus sign, B has got a sign, minus sign, so 4/3. So the A is how much? What is the equation of circle? X square plus y square equal to 4. So A is root 2, root of 4. A square is 4. A square is 4. So A is 2. So y is equal to 4/3x plus or minus 2 root 1 plus 4/3 the whole square. So when you take the LCM, y is equal to 4x plus or minus 2 root 9 plus 16, 25 by 9. So it becomes upon 3. Everybody agree with the upon 3?
Yes, sir.
When you cross multiply, 3y equal to 4x plus or minus 10. Now make it one side, 4x, always keep x positive, 4x minus 3y plus or minus 10 equal to 0. These are the two equations. And I asked you to write it in this format, 4x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, comma, 4x minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0 without any space, not to use space bar. Okay. So I hope you have written this manner. Any doubt? Austin, Jeff, everybody?
No, sir.
Anybody? How many of you got wrong answer in this? All of you, those who got wrong answer, did you check it correct?
Yes, sir.
Parinita,
So I got correct.
you got correct.
Actually, I got slight mistakes. I didn't write the answer, or I wrote extra 0.
Oh.
In the 3 sums, I got same mistake, like extra 0, or I forgot to write the value.
All right. Please write it in this format all the time. Today's next test also, you write in the same format. Keep the coefficient of x positive and then write the answer so that you all of us will have the same answer. Even if you look at your test book answer also, it is written that manner only. Okay. Now comes to this one. Equation of tangent, same formula. So what you have here this time, you have a circle like this. You have equation of circle as x square plus y square is 25. Then you have L tangent like this. And you have another line perpendicular to this tangent. This is perpendicular to it. And the equation of this is x plus 2y equal to 7. I want one student to volunteer me to answer this question. Austin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are going to give me the answer, step-by-step answers. First,
Okay,
what
sir.
you need? The slope of the tangent. So how will you get the slope of the tangent?
So first we'll remove the slope of x plus 2y equal to 7.
Yeah, that is equal to
Minus 1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2. So slope of the tangent is
2.
2. So we got slope and we got a square as 25. So a is 5.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can write now the answer. Y is equal to
mx
formula.
mx plus or minus a under root 1 plus m square.
Now substitute and tell me.
Y is equal to 2x plus or minus 5 under root 1 plus 4.
1 plus 4. Very good. So y is equal to 2x plus or minus 5 root 5. Because of this 5 root 5 only, I gave you as MCQ. So you will get 2x minus y plus or minus 5 root 5 equal to 0. So which option you have? I think option C.
C.
Is it fine, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I move on to next one? Now, equation of tangent from a point. So from a point is what?
The point is outside the circle. It's not on the circle.
Yeah. So equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to 10. And the point is 2 comma minus 4. So like this, I can get two tangents.
Yes.
And both tangents will have different slope. They'll not have the same slope. They'll have different slope. So what do you do? First and foremost thing, we'll assume the slope of the tangent as m.
M. Yes, sir.
If the slope of the tangent is m, tell me, I want Jeff.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, what will be the equation of tangent if slope of the tangent is m?
X into 2.
Why is
Yes.
it? No. That we cannot apply because the point is outside the circle.
Okay.
If the point was on the circle, what you said is correct. So if the point is outside the circle, we will go by slope form. So we don't know, see, for finding equation of any line, we need two things. One is point and slope. We have point, but we don't have slope. So since we don't know the slope, we assume the slope is m.
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me what is the equation of the tangent? If m is the slope of the tangent, what is the equation of tangent? Y equal to?
Y equal to mx. Mx plus or minus a.
A here is a square is 10. So a is root 10.
Root 10.
Root 10.
Under root 1 plus m square.
M square. Now in this equation, only thing that I do not know is m. Everything else I know.
Yes, sir.
So to find the value of m, what should I do? This point is a point on this tangent. If this is a point on the tangent, what you can say?
Then it satisfies the equation y equals to mx plus or minus root 10 under root 1 plus m.
So this point should satisfy the equation of tangent. So 2 comma minus 4 is a point on it. Therefore, minus 4 is equal to 2m plus or minus root 10 into root 1 plus m square.
Plus m square.
Now your aim is to find the value of m. There's a root this side, there is no root this side. So transfer this to other side and square it. Either transfer this to this side. So I can say plus or minus root 10 into root 1 plus m square is 2m plus 4. Why? So that I can have both positive. Now squaring this plus or minus doesn't make any difference for us. Squaring it will go away. Is equal to 2m plus 4 the whole square. If you could have wanted, you could have taken 4 come. Okay, it doesn't matter. 10 plus 10 m square is 4m square plus 16m plus 16. Everybody agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Final equation 6m square minus 16m minus 6 equal to 0. Is it okay with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now you can divide by 2. So 3m square minus 8m minus 3 equal to 0. So product is minus 9 and sum is minus 8. So 3m square minus 9m plus m minus 3 equal to 0. If I take 3m common, m minus 3 plus 1 into m minus 3 equal to 0. So m minus 3 into 3m plus 1 equal to 0. So the value of m is 3. Yeah, value of m is minus 1 by 3. So you got the slope of the tangent, right? Once you get the slope of the tangent, what you can do next?
We use the slope point formula, na, sir.
Correct. Do not put it in this back. If you put it back here, you'll get 4 equations, but you are supposed to have only 2 equations. So the first equation will be, I'll change the color. So my answer would be y minus of minus 4, y plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 2. This will be one of my answer. Another answer will be y plus 4 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x minus 2. If you open the bracket, what you'll get 3x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. And correct, no? And here 3y plus 12 equal to minus x plus 2. So here the answer will become x plus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Is it okay with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jeff, one important thing to note, there are 2 types of question with the point. First and foremost thing, you have to check whether the point is on the circle or outside the circle.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? If
Yes.
it is on the circle, you have to be very happy because you have direct formula. If it is outside the circle, it is a 3 marks problem. It's a very lengthy process. And what is the process? Assume the slope of the tangent as m, write the equation of the tangent, substitute the point and get m's value. After getting m's value, apply slope point form.
Okay,
Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Or Jeff, just tell me the process once again. First step.
So we have to first be careful whether it is at or from. And if it is at, we can directly use the formula. And if it is from, we have to assume the slope as m and put the formula y is equal to mx plus or minus a root of 1 plus m square. And then substitute the values of the given coordinate. And then continue solving till we get m, 2 values of m. And then use the slope point formula.
Yeah, and here there can be a blunder that we can create. What is a blunder that probably you can create? Instead of after calculating m, you should not substitute in the equation of the tangent. Don't
Otherwise, we'll
substitute.
get 4 equations.
You will get 4 equations, but actually there are only 2 equations. So we must use slope point form.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yeah, nice. Very good. Okay, everybody understood this. I hope everybody has followed it. Okay, now I'm going to, yeah. Anybody wants any explanation here? Yeah, okay. Now we go to question number, yeah, this is a dangerous question. How many of you did this question?
Question wrong.
Yeah, Parinita, what was the method you used here?
First, I took the equation of tangent as y equals to mx plus c. Then I substituted the value of y and x, and
You did not get a quadratic equation, right?
I got y equals to 4, but x value I didn't get.
Exactly. Y is equal to y equal to 4, correct.
Oh, yes.
This problem, if you do, you don't get a quadratic equation in x.
There was a confusion actually.
So what is the reason behind it is, one slope is 0 and other slope is infinity, because they are perpendicular. So how will you come to know this? It is a very tricky idea. Look at this diagram. I'm going to draw this problem perfectly on the board, okay? And then we'll come to know how this problem to be tackled. This is a dangerous problem. I knew that you people are not going to get answer in this, because this problem is done by sketching.
So here the square term itself was getting cancelled. So
See the beauty of the question. X square plus y square equal to 16. Did you understand that? So this point is 4, 0. This point is 0, 4. This point is minus 4, 0. This point is 0, comma minus 4. And the point given to you is 4, comma 4. Where is this 4, comma 4? Look at this. This is here 4, comma 4. X coordinate 4, Y coordinate 4. Do you agree with this? So they are also the tangent to the circle. This is X equal to 4 and this Y equal to 4. That's the answer. Did you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Have you followed? So how many such cases will come where slope will be infinity or slope is 0? 4 cases will come. Another point that you will have the same problem is over here. Just look at this. I hope all of you are making the diagram. Yeah.
But your x and y are -4, na sir.
Yes, minus 4, comma 4. And here will be minus 4, minus 4. And here will be 4, minus 4. Which means if I have x square plus y square equal to a square, you will be having slope infinity if the points are a, comma a, comma minus a, comma a, and the minus a, comma minus a. All of these cases, slope will be 0 and slope will be infinity. Is it clear to everybody? One slope of the tangent will be 0, another slope of the tangent will be infinity. So the equation of the tangent in this case, equation of tangent to this will be x equal to a and y equal to a. Equation of tangent to this will be x equal to a and y equal to minus a. Equation of this tangent will be x equal to minus a and y equal to a. Equation of this tangent will be x equal to minus a and y equal to minus a. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All of you followed this note?
Yes, sir.
So if I ask you, find the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 25 at 5, comma minus 5. What are the equation of tangent?
X equals to 5 and y equals to -5.
Did you understand? So there is nothing to calculate. You have to write the answer directly. So you have to all the time check whether these two numbers are square root of the radius. Then only this case will arise. Don't try to do in this type of problem by using our old method. If you do that way, you will get one slope as 0 and automatically other slope is infinity. Remember one thing, whenever one slope is 0, other slope will be infinity. If you are not getting a quadratic equation. Suppose imagine I do this problem by quadratic equation method. That is for this one, y equal to mx plus or minus a root 1 plus m square. When I substitute 4 here, 4 is equal to 4m plus or minus 4 root 1 plus m square. I can cancel off 4 everywhere, so it becomes like this. When I take m to the other side and square it, the m square will go away. When you expand this, you'll get 1 minus 2m plus m square equal to 1 plus m square. And 1 also goes. So you get m as 0. But from a point, you can always draw two tangent. One is slope is 0, other slope is infinity. Did you understand this point? Whenever you have a quadratic equation, you are supposed to get two values for m, because from a point, you can always draw two tangent. If one value of m is 0, and there is no quadratic equation happening here, that means other slope is infinity. Is that clear? And this case will arise only if the points are like that, this way. Everybody followed this point? Special case?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you have noted. Okay. Now we go angle between the tangents. This we have two methods to do the problem. I'm going to teach you a shortcut method as well as a direct method. One shortcut method I'll tell you. Substitute this point in the equation. 9 plus 25. If you get double of this, it means the tangents are perpendicular. Did you understand this?
Hmm.
What did I say?
Substitute the point in equation F, and if you get the answer, the double of a square, then the lines are perpendicular.
Now I'll tell you how it is later on. Today I'll teach you. So this is a shortcut method, but we'll learn it in right method. So what we have a tangent here. Where is the point? Point is here, -3, 5. And we want to find the angle between the tangents. 2, 3 methods are there. I'm going to teach you one method. Geometrical method. Because standard circle, you can always write the geometrical method. A radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? √17. What is the distance from here till here? 3 and 5, no? So 0 root of -3 square,
Root 34.
5 square. So you can directly write 25 plus 9, √34. Okay. Then what is hypotenuse? This hypotenuse.
Root 7.
So how do you get this? Let's say this is PMO. So PM by Pythagoras theorem. OP square plus OM square. So root of 34 minus 17. That is also √17.
Root of 17.
Now tell me, what is this angle? Tan theta is OM upon PM, which is √17 upon √17.
1.
1. So theta is 45. So if this angle is 45, what is the whole angle?
90.
90 degree.
This is one method of doing the problem. Another method of doing the problem, you write down.
Sin theta also we can use like to find the theta.
Sin theta also you can use. Any. But usually we apply tan theta. You know why? If I get tan theta as some 1/3 or something, then tan 2 theta can be calculated by this formula. So if you substitute in this, you will get tan 2 theta, and hence 2 theta can be obtained. Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
of you understood this method?
Yes.
Hmm.
Are you writing down, or you are waiting for it to be recorded and then see the? Please note down. If you draw it and learn it, it will be permanently learned. If you visualize, you will learn it for a very short time. Visual learning is a very poor learning. Writing and learning, experience and learning is the right method. Okay. I am going to teach you this problem in another method. All of you listen carefully. I'm teaching you new stuff, or I'll teach that after a doubt clearing. Okay, Janadu, I'll teach you after the doubt clearing. Okay, what about next problem? The same method can you apply? Yeah.
Option A is the right answer, no?
Yes, correct. Here is a point 5, 0. Here is the center of the circle, origin. Tangent, we can draw it like this. Join this. Join this. So other tangent will be like this. What we want to find, first find this angle. So what is the distance from here till here? 0, 0 to 5, 0, distance is 5. Radius is how much? 3. So 5, 3, so hypotenuse is, adjacent side is 4.
4.
Hmm.
From this diagram, 3/4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we want to find out tan 2 theta, because your answer is in tan inverse. Is 2 tan theta upon 1
1 minus tan square theta.
So 2 into 3/4 upon 1 minus 3/4 the whole square. That is 6/4, 16 minus 9/16. So I can cancel now. This and this 4 times. This 4 will go to numerator, 24/7. So 2 theta is Tan inverse.
tan inverse of 24/7.
So that is the angle between the tangents. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anybody wrote the answer as tan inverse 3/4?
So me.
Uh,
So I took the angle of
Only
one only.
only one angle. You have to double it. That's why
I
one
thought
option. See, I
in
give
the
you an
in
option
the
there.
classwork sum, it was given two tangents, angle between two tangents. So here it is not given, so we have to find only one.
Look at this wording.
Yes.
Tangents drawn from a point. How many tangents can you draw? Two, no?
True.
So that is sufficient to state that much meaning. So we don't have to say the angle between two tangents. Angle between tangents drawn from a point means automatically two tangents, because only two tangents can be drawn. Fine, everybody is fine with this question. So
Yes, sir.
we learned total 4 types of question. First one, at a point. Second one, slope is given. Third one, from a point. And fourth one, angle between the tangents. Okay, these are the 4 questions we have learned. And all of them we did it in standard circle. Now I am going to teach you in general circle. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 8. You are asked to find the equation of tangent to general circle at 1, minus 2. So we can use our formula. So what is the formula? 2 times x into x1. 2 times. Oh, first we'll have to, no, it will work
So
that.
first you have to divide it by 2 now.
Yes, sir.
Divide by 2
Equation.
also. See, if you divide by 2 now or divide by 2 later, it doesn't make any difference. Even if you do, okay, I'll do both the ways and show you. It comes to same answer. If you had divided now by 2 and the answer what I've written would have been the same answer. Did you follow that? So it's not necessary to divide by 2. All of you understood what I'm saying?
Sir, if you have not yet divided it by 2, then why you have written just minus 9 upon 2?
Formula is always what? Coefficient of x divided by 2. So what
Divided
is the
by
coefficient of x here? 9. 9 divided by 2.
Hmm.
What I want to show you is it is not necessary to divide by. I'll show you both the ways, sir. So your answer will become 2x minus 4y minus 9 by 2x minus 9 by 2 minus 2y plus 4 minus 9 equal to 0. So minus 2x and minus 9 by 2x will give you minus 4 and minus 5 by 2x. Am I right? Please check my answer. Minus 6y. Then constants here 9 by 2, 4 and minus 9 by 2. 4 minus 5 minus 9 by 2. So minus 19 by 2. Now take LCM. So minus 5x minus 12y minus 19 equal to 0. That is 5x plus 12y plus 19 equal to 0. Is my answer correct?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Yes, sir.
Here I multiplied by 2 after this statement. Now look at the other way of doing the problem. Suppose you change the equation to general equation. X squared plus y squared minus 9 by 2x minus 2y minus 9 by 2 equal to 0. What did you do? You divided the whole equation by 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right hand side you divide by 2 or multiply by 2 because right hand side is 0. It doesn't make any difference. Now your answer will be x1 plus y1. 9 by 4 it will become.
Yes.
And this become minus y plus y1 minus 9 by 2 equals 0. Now if you put the point x comma 1 y comma minus 2 minus 9 by 4 into x plus 1 minus y minus 2 minus 9 by 2 equal to 0. So your answer became x minus 9 by 4y and by 4x. minus 2y minus y. Then constant will be minus 9 by 4 plus 2 minus 9 by 2 equal to 0. You will get here minus 5 by 4x. Here you'll get minus 3y. Here you will get 4 as LCM, minus 9 plus 8 minus 18. So you will come to the same answer, minus 19 by 4. Now if you multiply by 4, you will get, multiply this equation by 4, you will get minus 5x minus 12y minus 19 equal to 0. Change the sign, you get the same answer. So it does not matter whether you divide by 2 or not, still your answer would remain the same. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So what I want to tell you is, it is not necessary for you to divide by 2. You can directly apply the formula, but coefficient of x will become half, coefficient of y will become half. I hope all of you are listening.
So,
Yes, sir.
don't we have to divide 9 upon 4 again by 2?
Here you don't have to divide again. What is the at present coefficient of x? 9, no? And what is the formula which says divide the coefficient of x by 2 and write x plus x1?
Yes.
Divide 2 times, divide only once. If you are here also, what you are doing, after dividing the equation by 2, you are going to divide the coefficient of x by 2. What is 9 by 2 divided by 2? When you write the equation of tangent, always you have to divide the coefficient of x only by 2, not by 4. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So,
So I'm clearing it. I hope you
No,
all
sir, no, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute, sir.
write only one method. Huh? Okay.
What?
Just joking. Okay, question number 9. Question number 9, all of you understood. Question number 8 is fine with everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 9, you're asked to find the equation of tangent when slope is given. Now this is a general circle, we don't have formula. Everything we have to do manually. Even standard circle, you can apply the same method of what I'm teaching you. It's not necessary you have to use the formula all the time. What is the center of the circle? Minus 2, 1.
Minus 2, 1.
What is the radius of the circle? 4 plus
Root
1
13.
plus 8. So root 13. So in the center of the circle, mark this both. That's the first step you must do. Find the center. General circle, first step is to do is calculate the center and radius. What the radius? Root 13. We know the slope of the tangent is minus 3 by 2. So assume the equation of tangent. All of you agree with this? Equation of tangent.
Yes, sir.
The equation of any line with slope minus 3 by 2 will be y equal to minus 3 by 2
Y
x
equal
plus c.
to mx plus c.
Correct. Y equal to mx plus c. After that, what you don't know? Only c's value. And how will you get c's value? The perpendicular distance from the center to the tangent is equal to the radius. You heard me properly?
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular distance from a point to a line will be equal to the radius. So modify this equation. 2y equal to minus 3x plus 2c. So I can write 3x plus 2y minus 2c I will write as k. I don't want to put 2c. A constant will do. Is it clear to everybody?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now I will apply this formula and get case value. So this is the equation of my tangent. Now what I'll apply? The perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is how to calculate? 3 into substitute the point. Divided by root of a square plus b square. So 3 square plus 2 square. Here you should not make the mistake of squaring the point. You have to square the coefficient of x and y. Equal to the radius. So how much you get? Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 plus k upon root of how much? 9 plus 4, 13. Is plus or minus root 13. I removed the modulus, so plus or minus has come. So I can say minus 4 plus k is plus or minus 13. So what is case value? Plus or minus 13 plus 4. So case value is either 17 or case value is minus 9. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So now directly replace case value here. Therefore, equation of tangent is, don't put in the C, okay? Put in K. Equation of the tangent is 3x plus 2y plus 17 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. Tell me once again the method. I want one student to repeat the method. Oh, Arunati.
So yes, I can.
Yeah.
So first we have to find the point, then we have to find the radius of the circle,
Don't say point, center of the circle.
center of the circle,
So
and then
first
where
find center and radius. Okay.
yes, center and radius. Then the equation of the tangent is y is equal to mx plus c.
Correct.
Then we have to substitute the value of the center in that equation.
There you should not use that word. You should say find y. You said y equal to mx plus c. In
Yes.
this y equal to mx plus c, I know m, but I don't know c.
C. Yes.
Then how do you find the value of c? We find the
We
value
have
of
to
c.
substitute slope.
Don't use the word slope. Substitute. We have to find the perpendicular distance from the center to the tangent. What will you apply? Distance. Even if you don't use the word perpendicular, it's okay. Distance from center to the tangent equal to radius. Equal to radius. Use this and get c's value.
Yes.
So once again, I'll tell you. First step, center and radius. Calculate that. Assume the equation of the tangent. How do you assume the equation of tangent? Y equal to mx plus c. M we know, but c we don't know. Find the value of c by using perpendicular distance from the center to the tangent equal to radius. Is it clear? Don't say substituting the point, because you know what will happen? You'll forget the denominator. So say perpendicular distance from the center to the tangent equal to radius. Everybody heard this properly?
Yes, sir.
I have given you a table. In that table, all this is written. Fine. Can I move on to next? Anybody, any doubt?
No,
Sir, this what you explained, na, sir. Perpendicular distance, sir. This one I had doubt, sir.
What is the doubt you have? How to use that formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen to me carefully. Suppose I have a point x1, y1 here. And I have a line here. How do we calculate distance from a point to a line? This distance, how to calculate? There's a formula for that. What the formula says? First, the formula has got numerator and denominator. The numerator is obtained by substituting the point. And denominator is root of a square plus b square. This is a formula. Is it clear? Why modulus? Because distance cannot be negative. So just tell me once again, Austin asked me this question, no?
Yes, sir.
Austin, suppose the point is 2, 3. The line is 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. How do you calculate the distance, this distance?
So we'll substitute 2, 3 in the equation, sir.
So tell me once again, 4 into,
2
yeah.
plus 3 into 3 plus 1.
Not only that, upon,
Under root a square plus b square.
what is a square plus b square? Is it 2 square plus 3 square?
Yes, sir.
No, it is 4 square plus 3 square.
Oh, okay, sir.
Coefficient of x and y and not the point. A and
Yes.
B are the coefficient of x and y and not the point. Is
Okay.
that you have now understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
what we did here, this is a point and this is the line. So substituted the point in the line, we got the numerator. And root of a square plus b square in the denominator.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes,
Understood?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. 10th question. Equation of the tangent to the circle. Again, same problem it is. Equation of tangent to the circle, which is parallel to x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1. Tell me, what is equation of any line parallel to this?
X plus y
Plus
minus
y
t.
plus t equals to 0. The x and y term will be same, only the constant term will be different.
Now the center of the circle is how much? 1, 1.
Hmm.
Radius of the circle is 1 plus 1 plus 6. So root 8. So
Yeah,
how will you
again,
obtain the value of c? Just tell me.
perpendicular distance from center to line is radius
1
itself.
plus 1 plus c.
1 plus divided by 1 plus root 1.
Root of a square is 1, a is 1, b is 1. So 1 square plus 1.
1 square plus 1 square
That should be
root
root 8.
is equal to root 8.
So 2 plus c is plus or minus root 8 into root 2. You agree with the root 2?
Yes.
Denominator
Yes,
is
sir.
So 2 plus c is plus or minus 4. Root 16's root is 4. C is plus or minus 4 minus 2. So either c is 2 or c is minus 6.
Yes, sir.
So the equation is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0, because we took c as here, na? 2 equal to 0, or x plus y minus 6 equal to 0.
C equals to 0.
I hope all of you got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Anybody? Now question by
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, you wanted to, okay. So did you write the statement, let the equation of tangent be? Let this be the equation of tangent.
Yes,
Then
sir.
you write center of the circle, radius. Then you have to write perpendicular distance from the center equal to radius.
Yes, sir. Done.
Question number 11. So if I give you a little more homework this time, don't feel bad. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you have to be perfect in it. You may have to spend a little more time, because this is a topic for your MHCTA. Straight line and circle are one of the most important topics of MHCT. You know that 40% of question comes from 11th standard. So 11th standard, all topics are not there. This topic is there. The center of the circle is 3, minus 2. Equation of the line perpendicular to is 2x plus 5y equal to 10. So what is the slope of this? Minus 2 by. So what is the slope of this?
5/2.
5 by 2.
So that means your equation should be
5x minus
2x minus 5y plus c equal to 0. Do you agree with that? Then only what is the slope of this line?
2.
Minus
5x minus 2.
5x. Okay. So
5x minus 2.
5x
Minus 2y.
Minus 2y plus c is
Plus
equal to
c
0.
equals to
check
0.
what the slope is telling. If 5 is the coefficient of x and minus 2 will be the coefficient of y. Then only 5 by 2 will come. Okay, because slope has got the formula minus a by b. So there is a minus in the formula. To compensate that minus 4, what you did, you put the coefficient of y is negative. All of you follow that? Now find the radius. What is the radius of the circle? What is the radius of the circle?
Radius
9
29.
plus
4
6.
plus
29.
29.
Root 29.
Yes. 29, yes.
Radius is 29. So what I can say, the perpendicular distance will become 5 into 3, minus 2 into minus 2 plus c upon root of 5 square plus minus 2 square should be equal to root 29.
Root
Everybody
29.
understood this?
Yes, sir.
So there were 15 plus 4, 19. So 19 plus c upon root 29 equal to root 29.
19.
1 minute, I just have close it. Yeah. So numerator, so I can say plus or minus. Somebody is waiting. Yeah. So 19 plus c is plus or minus 29. Therefore, c's value is either 10 or c's value is minus 48. All of you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the equation now? Equation of
5x.
tangent will become 5x minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0.
5x minus 2y minus 48 equals to 0.
Yeah. This is your answer. Any problem?
No.
No, sir.
Once again, first we will find the center of the circle. We'll find the radius of the circle. That's the first step. Equation of any line perpendicular to this, just interchange the coefficients and change the sign of y coordinate, y coefficient. So it will become 5x minus 2y plus c will be the equation of the tangent. Then c you will find out using perpendicular distance from the center to the tangent equal to the radius. Only one condition applying all the time. Whenever a line is a tangent to the circle, distance from the center to the tangent equal to the radius. Is it fine with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
So the 12th sum, how to solve the 12th one?
same method, but only difference is you will assume the equation of tangent in different way. What do you know about the tangent this time?
It
We
is
don't know the
past
slope.
the origin.
Last time we were knowing the slope. This time we know only the point on the tangent. So that's all the difference. When slope was known to you, we assume the equation as y equal to mx plus c. C was unknown. When point is given to you, slope is unknown. So tell me, how should I assume the equation of this tangent? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
X minus x1.
Out of that y1 we know, m we don't know. So the
So it
equation is
will
y
be
equal to
y
mx.
equals to mx.
So mx minus y equal to 0. So what you do not know in this equation, m's value.
Yeah.
How will you find the m's value? The perpendicular distance from the center is equal to the radius. Same method. So what is the difference between from a point and the slope method? One place we assume the equation of tangent as y equal to mx plus c. Another place we assume the equation of tangent as slope point. Is it clear? Once again, Anam, just tell me what is the difference between equation of tangent when slope is given to you and equation of tangent from the point is given to you.
So when the equation of tangent from slope is given, then we assume the equation of line as y equals to mx plus c or plus a root 1 plus m square. And when the point
that
is
means,
given.
wait, listen to me. A root 1 plus m square can be applied only if standard circle.
Okay, for general circle, it will be y equals to mx plus c. And when point is given, we assume the equation as y equals to mx using the slope formula.
No, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
Okay.
Because this point is known to you. Do you follow that?
Yes,
and
sir.
here you don't know c's value. You will find c's value by perpendicular distance from a point to a line equal to radius. Here, what you don't know, m's value you don't know. So m's value you find out from perpendicular distance from the center to the tangent is radius.
Radius, okay.
Follow that? Only assuming the equation of tangent is varying. In one place, the equation of tangent is taken as y equal to mx plus c. Another equation of tangent is taken as slope point form.
Slope point formula.
Is it clear? And slope
Yes.
point formula is applied when point is given. Y equal to mx plus c is given when slope is known to you. All of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you write like this? Let m be the slope of the tangent. Before that, 1 minute, sorry. Center and radius, that's the first step. Center of the circle. Minus 4, 5. The radius of the circle. 16 plus 25 minus 16, so 5. Then assume the equation. This is the first step. Assume the equation of tangent. So since you know the point, use slope point form. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 0 is m into x minus 0. So y is equal to mx. Make it equal to 0 format. Now, third step is find the value of m. How do you find the value of the m? Perpendicular distance from the center
To the tangent is equal to radius.
Yeah. So m into minus 4 minus 5 divided by root of m square plus minus 1 square. I hope you are understanding.
Yes, sir.
Austin, did you understand the denominator?
Hmm.
Coefficient of x here is m and coefficient
And
of
then
y here is
coefficient of y
minus.
is minus 1.
Yeah. So here I can write minus 4m minus 5, the whole square is 25 into m square plus 1. Is it okay? Numerator square, square of the right hand side, cross multiplied, square of the denominator. Now we'll solve this and get value of m. 16m square. 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 2, 40. Plus 25 is 25m square plus 25. So 9m square minus 40m equal to 0. Take m common, 9m minus 40 equal to 0. Either m is 0 or m is 4 by 9, 40 by 9. So you got m's value, and this was your assumption. So if you put this in this, you got the answer. Therefore, equation of tangent is tangents are y equal to 0. That means x-axis. And 40 by 9, x minus y equal to 0. That is 40x minus 9y equal to 0. Any doubt anywhere?
No, sir.
Everybody followed? For the first step, center
Yes,
and
sir.
radius. Second step, assume the equation of tangent. Third step, find the unknown by perpendicular distance from the center equal to the radius. Anybody still writing?
No, sir.
Okay. So can I remove?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now last question. If this line is a tangent to the circle, find the point of contact. I have not taught you this question. How will you find this? Here is a circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0. Here is a tangent. Equation of this tangent is 2x plus y plus 6 equals 0. You are asked to find what is this coordinate. Tell me the method. It's one of you. How to find the coordinate of P? Anybody made an attempt? Kevin,
Yes, sir.
Parinita, you did.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, even I did.
Yeah. What is the method you did, Chaitanya?
So
First-
first I took y as y is
Subject.
equals to -6 minus 2x. Then
You saw.
we substituted the value of y in the equation of circle.
Yeah. You solve both the
Same.
equations, right? You
Yes.
solve both.
Yeah.
That is one method. That's a perfectly right method, and I'm going to do by that method only. Second method is you find the equation of this line, normal. Normal is passing through the center, and with the slope of this line, you can get the equation of this line. If you solve both the equation, you will get the coordinate of P. This is second method. Tell me the first method. I have not asked many students. Let me ask one of them. I don't know whether Kashish Tiwari. Kashish,
Yes, sir.
tell me the two methods which I explained to you if you have understood.
So, first method we have to substitute. We have to solve the both of the equations.
And second method.
Second method is that we have to. So I took
Yeah.
the diameters equation like that only.
Diameter equation means diameter's equation. But
Same
slope.
method.
Yeah,
There's the point
you
and the
want
slope.
you want call it diameter. You know why? There are infinite diameters. So what we call it as normal.
Normal.
Yeah, I know you understood this extent. If you extend this, it will be diameter only. What you said is correct. But if I use the word diameter, there are plenty of diameters. So it will doesn't look specific. But we need which diameter? The diameter which is a normal. Okay. So
Yes.
whenever a line is perpendicular to the tangent and passing through the point of contact, we call it as normal. Normal at P. And solve both the equations, you'll get the point of contact. So let's do by the first method. Okay. So what is the method we are applying? Solving the equation. All of you are writing down, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Given equation of circle. Method 1, you write method 1. Solve both the equation. Method 1 is solve both the equation. I will written the heading. Method 1, solve both the equation. Then you write equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0. Then equation of line or equation of tangent. 2x plus y plus 6 equals 0. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 6. You made y as a subject. Now you will substitute 2 in 1. Equation 2 in equation 1. So in place of y, you will put minus 2x plus 6. When you square, that minus goes away. When you put instead of this, it becomes plus. And you get a quadratic equation. And you will notice that this quadratic equation will have perfect roots. 12 into 2, 24x. (12 minus 3). So 5x square plus 20. This 2x I forgot. So 30x. 36 plus 9, 45. Is it okay? Now divide by 5. X square plus 6x plus 9. I told you always you will get a quadratic equation with the equal roots. It is nothing but x plus 3 the whole square. You will always get this. Can you tell me why? Why I'm not getting two different roots here? Can anybody tell me? How many points are common between this line and this tangent? Tell me. Only one.
1
So how
point
many
is
values
common.
of x should I get? Suppose it was not a tangent. It was a secant. I would have got two x coordinates, 1 here and 1 here. But if it is a tangent, what will happen? You will get only one x coordinate. But quadratic equation always have two roots, which means both the roots should be equal. So if it is a tangent, this is also a point to test whether it's a line is a tangent or not. A line will be a tangent to the circle only if you have one x value. So x coordinate became -3. So once you get x coordinate, so this point has x coordinate -3. Now if you put x as -3 in it, you'll get y coordinate, or you put it here. Substituting in 2. Y is equal to -2 into -3 plus 6. So y equal to 0. So the point of contact is -3, 0. Yeah, Kevil, no problem. Why, Kevil, why you cannot talk? You're always giving me messages only. Okay, it's okay. All of you followed this method. So, Kevil, one thing is there. If suppose they ask you, show that line is a tangent to the circle, then you have to use this method only. Suppose you show that a line is a tangent to the circle, then you will say that because it is having equal roots, it is a tangent to the circle. All right. Now, second method, do you want to learn it? Second method 2.
Yes.
Method 2. Find equation of normal at the point of contact. So we don't know this point. Do you know the center of the circle? So center of the circle, -4, 5. So, no, 1, -1. This is a circle, no? -1, then slope of tangent -2. Slope of normal 1/2. Equation of normal y -1 is equal to 1/2 into x plus 1. 2y minus 2 is x plus 1. So what is the equation of normal? X minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Now what should I do? Tell me, what should I do?
Solve both of them.
Solve both the equations.
Tangent.
Yeah, solve the equation of tangent. Solving equation of tangent and normal. So 2x plus y equal to -6. X minus 2y equal to -3. So x coordinate is 12 plus 3 divided by -4 minus 1. That is equal to 15/5, so -3. Substitute x as -3, you will get y as 0. So the point is -3, 0. This is the second method. All of you followed? All 13
Yes,
questions
sir.
you have understood
Yes, sir.
clearly. Everybody, are you listening? See, don't keep it too much pending for you. Otherwise, it will become such difficult for you that you cannot proceed.